tea is the second most consumed beverage in the world after water. Welcome back to All in 5 Minutes, and in this video I'll tell you more about this delicious drink. The history of tea is long and complicated, spreading over thousands of years across multiple cultures. Tea likely originated as a medicinal drink in the region of northeast India, North Burma, Yunnan and Tibet. The tea plant was originally eaten as a vegetable or cooked with porridge. An early record of people drinking tea dates back to the 3rd century. During the Tang dynasty in China, the tea plant was spread to Korea, Japan and Vietnam. Both Chinese and Japanese developed unique cultures and rituals around tea. At this point, the standard practice was to grind the tea leaves into fine powder to create a beverage called matcha. In the 14th century, the standard tea preparation in China became loose-leaf tea. Tea, along with porcelain and silk, was one of the 3 essential Chinese export goods. At the beginning of the 17th century, Dutch traders brought it to Europe, where its popularity spread rapidly. It was so popular that Britain started to pay China for tea with opium instead of silver. This triggered a public health problem in China, which led to the First Opium War in 1839. It ended in 1842 and resulted in unfavorable trade terms for China. Since Britain wanted to grow tea by themselves instead of purchasing it all the time, they smuggled the tea plant out of China and established plantations in India. Tea remained an important part of Britain's global trade, contributing to Britain's global dominance by the end of the 18th century. Different tea types are made from the same plant called Camellia sinensis. Tea classification depends on how the tea leaves are prepared and processed. During processing, oxidation is often used, which is a process through which water evaporates out of the leaf, changing its aroma and strength. Black tea is made by fully oxidizing leaves during the production. It results in dark brown and black leaves with rich flavors. Most black teas should be brewed between 200 and 212 degrees Fahrenheit, or 93 and 100 degrees Celsius. The brewing of some delicate black teas requires lower temperatures. To create oolong tea, the leaves are semi-oxidized and then rolled to give them the signature shape. Oolong tea can be green or brown, and flavors can vary a lot. It is usually brewed between 190 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit, or 88 and 93 degrees Celsius. Green tea is not oxidized as much as black tea or oolong tea. The flavors of green teas also vary and can range from earthy to seaweedy taste. Most green teas are brewed between 150 and 180 degrees Fahrenheit, or 65 and 80 degrees Celsius. White tea is one of the most delicate tea types because it is minimally processed. It is not oxidized and it has a light and mellow flavor. White tea should be brewed using water around 160 degrees Fahrenheit, or 70 degrees Celsius. Pu'er tea is a fermented tea variety that uses aged tea leaves, which can be even several decades old. The brewing of most pu'er teas is optimal at about 205 degrees Fahrenheit or 96 degrees Celsius. In modern times, herbal teas enjoy popularity too. Herbal teas are other teas that do not consist of the tea plant leaves. They can be made from flowers, leaves, spices, and even mushrooms. Because of this, their brewing instructions vary, and generally water at 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius should be used. Some popular herbal teas are chamomile tea, hibiscus tea, and rooibos tea. Potential health benefits vary greatly between the types of tea. Black, green, oolong, white, and pu'er tea contain unique antioxidants called flavonoids. Some of them might help against heart disease, clogged arteries, and even prevent cancer. Other possible health effects of these tea types include lowering blood pressure, decreasing blood sugar levels, and improving focus. The health benefits of herbal teas vary depending on the plant used to make the tea. You should be careful when drinking instant or bottled tea, since they can contain lots of sugars and artificial sweeteners, which are not good for your health. There is still a lot to learn about tea. You can find out more about it from the playlist on your screen or in the description. If you would like to learn about something else in 5 minutes, you can follow this video YouTube suggests specifically for you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.